Hey, what is up guys, it's me John back again for another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Corsair Strafe mechanical keyboard. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the Corsair Strafe mechanical keyboard. It features Cherry MX red key switches and red backlighting. It's a full-length keyboard, meaning it has the number keys and the arrow keys. This is what the box looks like, showing off all the features and keys. Alright, so let's open this baby up. Alright, so here's what it looks like when you first open the box. We have some replacement keycaps here with the key removal tool. We have the instruction booklet, warranty, and all that stuff. So here's the keyboard itself. Let's try to dig it out of here out of the box. The cable is wrapped up in here in this cardboard section. Alright, now let me get rid of the box and I'll show you the keyboard itself. Alright guys, so here's the keyboard itself. Very nice looking, very clean. The Cherry MX red keys. For the cable, we have a standard rubberized cable with two USB because this keyboard has a USB port on the back here. As you can see right there. We have the Corsair logo here in the corner. There you go. Up here in the corner we have a brightness switch. And we have a Windows key lock switch. We have some LED indicators at the top. The back board is red as well to maximize the red lighting effect. We also have textured spacebar here. There you go. That's what it looks like plugged in. There you can see the backlighting a lot better. Now the function keys we have up here, we have sound, we have mute, stop button, and play pause button, and forward and back button here. As you can see, it lights up from the side as well, which is a really nice touch in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and install the custom keycaps that were included and show you guys what that looks like. This is the removal tool for the keys. I have various replacement keycaps here that have sort of like an angle, more aggressive angle for gaming. Few more keys. Now here's the included tool for removing the keys. It's really simple to remove the keys. All you have to do is basically slide it in till you hear it click and just pull. You don't have to pull very hard. You can see what the Cherry MX red switch looks like under there. Once you pop off the key you want to replace, grab your replacement textured key, just pop that right back in place. Now this would be your basic shooter layout, WSAD, well there you go. But this set also brings the League of Legends keys. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Alright guys, so this is what the MOBA setup looks like, specifically League of Legends. These are the main keys for League of Legends. They have like a different contour to them. So it really gives you this unique feel when you're playing. You can feel the keys in their respective positions a lot better. You have sort of like these curved edges that let you know what key is which, you know. Alright guys, so anyway, this has been the Corsair Strafe keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like, please leave a like down at the bottom. Give me a comment, tell me what you thought about the video, about the unboxing video. And stay tuned for more videos like this one.